percent of change. Today, we'll be learning about percent of change. Make sure you have your guided notes, and remember you can pause the video at any time. Percent change. Write down in your notes that a percent change is a ratio that compares the change in a quantity to the original amount. Percent of increase. That is when the new amount is more than the original, whereas the percent of decrease is when the new amount is less than the original. Let's do some examples to find out what this means. Example 1. Ashley earned $20 babysitting in January. In February, she earned $32. What is the percent change in her earnings? First, we have to find the difference. So let's subtract 32 and 20. She's now making $12 more than she did in January. Next, we set up a ratio. After we found the difference, we're going to divide that by the starting amount. She originally made $20 an hour. So let's change that to a percent. 12 divided by 20 is 0.6 or 60%. Let's try another one. Example 2. Find the percent of change in a tree height from year 1 to year 10. Round if necessary. Year 1, our tree is 4 feet. And then in year 10, our tree is 9.6 feet. Remember, we want to find the percent of change from year 1 to year 10. So let's find the difference. 9.6 minus 4 is 5.6. The tree grew 5 6/10 feet over the years. Now let's set up a ratio. The difference is 5.6. The original height was 4 feet. So let's change this to a percent. 5.6 divided by 4 is 1.4. As a percent, 140%. The tree grew 140%. That's the percent change. Example 3. Find the percent of change if the original price of a pair of shoes was $75 and they went on sale and now the new price is $60. Let's use the same steps. Step 1. Find the difference. 75 minus the new price of $60 is $15. So the shoes are $15 off. But we want to find the percent of change. So let's set up a ratio. The difference was $15. The original amount was $75. So let's change that to a percent. 15 divided by 75 gives us 0.2 or 20%. And this makes sense. If we multiply 20% times 75, we'll find a discount of $15. Try some on your own. Pause the video and see if you can solve these problems. How'd you do? Circle the problems you made mistakes on. See if you can fix them. If not, I'll have another video that you can check your answers with. Come with questions in class tomorrow.